So the students have completed an hour of code and they want to get more. They want to move on. They want to do a lot more with it, and you want to be able to track their progress. So there's a way to do that, and that's by registering on code.org. So here I am on code.org, and over on the right-hand side here it says sign in. So I can go ahead and I can click sign in. Even though you haven't created an account, this is still where you want to go. So down here you have create an account, so you're going to go ahead and create that. And then you just have to obviously fill this information out. So you would obviously want to click a teacher. You would want to use your email, password, confirm it, display your name, school, and all that stuff. You can also come over here and you can sign in with Google, and you can do that as well. So once you do that, then you're going to be able to come to this site. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sign in because I already have an account. So bear with me here. Okay, so once I've signed in here, I can scroll down a little bit, and I'm going to come over to the student accounts and progress. And when I do that, it's going to give me a bunch of information. Now, you're not going to have any of the things that you see here. These are all the courses that I've created in the past for my learners. What you want to do is you want to come up here and click New Section. You want to give your section a name. So what is it that you want to remember it by? I'm going to say 2016, 2017. Their login is all dependent on what you would like. You have Word, you have picture, and you have an email. Obviously for the younger learners you would want to do picture. Maybe for the middle grades you would want to do Word, and for upper grades you would want to do email. I'm going to do picture for this purpose. I'm going to pick first grade as my learner, and then this is where you're going to be able to have to do a little bit of research. But I'm going to simply go right here with the internet, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now this is all finished and my course is ready and set to go. Now I have to go up to the manage students in that particular section and I have to add students. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add students. I'm going to put their name, I'm going to say how old they are, I'm going to say their gender, and I'm going to hit save. Okay, so there's my first student. Here's my next student. If you'd like to, you can add multiple students at the same time, so you can copy and paste everything there. So there I have it. I have all my students, and I'm going to hit done. I need to change these then to fit their age and their gender. And now the students have their accounts. I need to hit save. I need to hit save. The important part that you have to know to get the students logged in, or the learners to log in now, is they have to come to this website. So this is a website that you're going to want to copy and paste onto your facilitator website so that the learners can just go ahead and click on there. And then down here is their cards that they can print off. So if I click on this, it's going to pull up into a separate window and it's going to print their cards. So here's the website, so they can do it at home if they wanted to. Here's their name. So when they click on this website, and let me show you what that looks like. So when I click on this website, it's going to give me my students' names. So for this particular student, this was Joe. And I have to pick this little alien guy type thing here, and that's going to log him in. So there's my alien guy. I have a partner at my computer. I can hit sign in. And now it's going to start to work on, okay, so they're asking to work in partner, so I'm going to say, and now they can start to work. So you want to print these off and provide those to the learners, and then you need to put that website somewhere. And then what you can do now is you can come back and you can look at their progress, and you can see everything that's going on with those particular learners in your class. So there you have it, registering and going a little bit farther with